All right, we're going to do an unboxing of the 3H control box that we built here at Kelderman's. Some of the important parts about it and some of the things that you want to make sure that you pay attention to when you unbox this. This is your wiring harness, this is your USB, this is where your control system plugs into. A lot of people don't understand what this one wire is. Kind of confusing for some. If you pull this wiring harness off here, there's a nice little packing slip on here that's taped here, and you got to kind of fight around. It says read first. It kind of tells you exactly what that little black wire does. It's a purge wire for your airlift box grounds. So you attach it to your vehicle ground, attach it to your purge switch, and then attach it to this little black wire right here. It goes right here, and that's what that is. So in your kit, you'll have your air line, you'll have an instruction sheet. So look, instruction sheet has that same thing on it. It must be very important if it's in there again. So then we'll unbox this here. And all these are labeled and taken pictures of so we know exactly what's in there. This right here, this is your air chuck. This explains what the air chuck does, how to calibrate. This is used for calibration. This little deal right here, hook this to your shop air, hook this to the back. That's what that's used for, calibration. And then you can leave this on the truck, use this after that, fill up air tires, whatever you need to do. Get into this box right here. This is your airlift sensor wires. So they're all labeled. They got these little labels on them. So this is your front right sensor. They're all labeled here. We got your right rear and so forth. Here's your button. This is a mysterious button that no one knows where it's at. It's in with this kit here. This is your purge button. It gets wired into this black wire right here. This goes together right here. Next box here. This has your mounting hardware for your sensors. You got your collars, you got your linkage arms, and then in here, this is our provided package, has your two fuse holders. There's one fuse holder, here's the other. This is for the large wire, which is right here. There's two large wires and a smaller power wire. Small power wire goes here. Your two large wires will use the large fuse holder. These get 30 amp fuses. This will get your 10 amp. And that is in this package here. And this package right here that says airlift on it, it does have the fuse in it, your connectors to do that. Here, this is your rear sensors right here. Front sensors, a little bit different. The arms will be a little different, but your other sensors. Box here. This has all your fittings in here. So all your bolts, all the hardware you need, your bag full of hardware for your bag mounts, anything that's air related, fitting related is in this bag. We provide some height control brackets that you weld on, depends on the kit, but it all comes in this same kit. Everything all is included in here. There is some 1/4 inch line. It doesn't get used, but it is thrown in this box. And then there are extra sensors or linkage arms, so you can cut to length on these.